We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nicholas Gunnar Gage. File number is 20-02628SM. Council appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Aaron Housefield on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Nicholas Gage, who is standing to my right.
How are you, Mr. Gage?
I'm all right.
Today's the date that was set for jury trial. Oh, we can see.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, the people are moving to dismiss the misdemeanor offense and have the defendant accept responsibility to a civil infraction impeding traffic citation.
Okay, Mr. Gage, that's your understanding of the plea agreement?
Yes, I do.
Okay, impeding traffic is a 0-point civil infraction. You don't have to plead guilty or not guilty because it's not criminal. Do you accept responsibility to that?
I accept responsibility.
Okay, the fine is $135. When can you pay that?
I'm not sure. I'm currently unemployed.
Sorry, the fine is $125, not $135. You say you're not employed right now?
Yep.
Did you ever pay 10% bond on this? That's what it says.
I think it was a PR bond.
Do you see that he posted a bond in here? Because this says 3,000, 10%.
So it's like here, I don't see that.
I believe that was the original bond, but it converted to a personal recognizance after 7 days.
Got it, okay. I just wanted to make sure we weren't holding any money, but nonetheless, we'll refer the $125 to collections. You can make a payment plan with them, okay?
Okay. So after that, do I have to go to this thing?
I'm gonna confirm your contact information.
Oh,
So you're no longer working at Maru?
nope.
Okay.
Yeah, my other court case has me in a faraway town, away from everything. So it's kind of a struggle right now.
I understand that, but you know what? My understanding also is that everyone's hiring.
Yeah, but I don't got a car. I'm like at least 7 miles away from everything. So I'm waiting for me to get a bike eventually. So that's the best I can do at the moment.
Okay, so again, you'll meet with collections and they can make a payment plan consistent with your current financial situation. What's your phone number?
Is it alright if I pull my phone out right now and pull it up? I don't remember it. Five 418-6534.
Okay. Do you have any questions today, sir?
No, you're on.
Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Yeah, I hope I don't.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ask Jesse about a bike. They can actually get you one.
Really?
They can help you.
I'll think about that.
Yep.
They also told me something about like transportation in rural areas.
Yeah,
like
Jesse can help. Yeah,
shuttle bus.
exactly.
I'm doing a therapy thing today, so.
All right. See you later.
Shannon? Is that what we're doing next?
Yes.
Your Honor.
No.
Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Justin Douglas Shattuck. File number is 21-01444SM. Have your appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Aaron Housefield on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Justin Shattuck, who is standing to my right.
Good morning, Mr. Shattuck. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Today is the date that's set for a jury trial, or was it final pre-trial? Final pre-trial. I have here an advice and rights and the information sheet, so can you state the offer for the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. The defendant is going to plead as charged to count 2, which is a dog at large, pursuant to Article 9, Section 1A of the Ingham County Animal Control Code. That is a 90-day and/or $500 penalty. In exchange for that plea, Your Honor, the people will move to dismiss counts 1 and 3. Additionally, Your Honor, there is a restitution amount agreed upon of $50 to the victim. And I will supply the court with a restitution form.
Thank you. Is the victim here today?
The victim was here this morning, Your Honor, yes.
Okay, so is there an objection to immediate sentencing if the victim is found? Or-
Your Honor, I have no objection to immediate sentencing.
Your Honor, when the victim appeared this morning, it was for purposes of keeping it on or not on the trial docket. It was, and I excused the victim. It was after that that we determined that there would be a plea. I
Okay.
apologize, I wasn't thinking of that.
No worries.
So I would
Set up for
ask,
sentencing.
thank you.
Okay. Mr. Shattuck, that's your understanding of your plea agreement, that you're gonna plead guilty to count 2, dog at large, and that count 1 and 2, 1 and 3 will be dismissed. That you'll pay restitution in the amount of $50 to the victim.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give us the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
Okay, I have a Rights and the information sheet. It has today's date on it. There's a signature on it. Is that your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you read this document?
Yes, I did.
You understand each of the rights listed here?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you understand that you have the constitutional right to proceed to a trial in this matter. You have the right to have a jury trial. At the time of trial, you have the right to be represented by counsel, which you are represented by Ms. Donnelly. You have the right to cross-examine or question any of the witnesses that the prosecution intended to call. You have the right to call witnesses to further any defense that you may have. You have the right to remain silent at trial and not have that silence used against you. If you plead guilty today, according to this plea agreement, you have to waive each of those rights. Is that what you want to do? Okay, has anybody made any promises to you to get you to waive your rights?
No.
Anybody threatening you to get you to waive your rights and plead guilty? Are you pleading guilty because you believe you are guilty? Are you currently on probation or on parole?
No.
As to count 2, dog at large, how do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
Can I have a factual basis?
Yes.
That's me.
I'm
Thank you,
sorry.
Your Honor. Mr. Shattuck, on or about February 1st of this year, let's see here. Do you live on the 1717 Massachusetts Avenue in the city of Lansing, County of Ingham, state of Michigan?
Yes.
All right. And on or about February 1st of this year, did you have a pit bull mix, either Prima or Raven? Did you allow that dog to run at large, contrary to Ingham County statutes?
Yes, I did.
All right. Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Ms. Oswald, do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor, thank you. The people are satisfied with the factual basis.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis. I will accept your plea. I find you to make plea voluntarily and intelligently. We will set this matter for sentencing. I'm not going to refer you to probation.
Thank you.
So you don't need to meet with them prior to.
2 weeks.
That's fine.
October 18th at 11 o'clock.
October 18th at 11 o'clock will be your sentencing date, okay, sir?
And
Thank you.
We can appear via Zoom if all parties consent.
People consent, Your Honor,
Do
thank
you want to
you.
appear by Zoom? Is that
And
fine?
it'd be better for me.
No, yeah, we consent, Your Honor.
Okay, so the sentencing will be via Zoom, okay?
Right. Then send the address and the Zoom address. the paper.
We'll get you the paperwork on how to log into Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank
We'll
you.
also get you a copy of your notice to appear while you're here.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for the court at this
No,
time?
Your Honor.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for the people, Your Honor, thank you.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can get your coat, but we're waiting for you. It was paper.